welcome to this week's edition of the Fibonacci Review. Today I'm going to show you how fabulous Optuma is at helping traders to find exceptional opportunities in the market, and in particular today we're going to focus on that fabulous Fibonacci series, the numbers that together added up give us the next number in the sequence. 2 plus 3 equals 5, 3 plus 5 equals 8, and so on. And W.D. Gann, whose work I've studied intensively, told us at one stage that his favorite number in trading was the number 144, and that gave him a lot of opportunities for trading in the markets because he found a lot of markets changing trend or direction around the number 144. Now what you can do is to search the sector or the exchange that you like to trade, whether that's stocks, futures, forex, and find markets that are reacting to the number 144 and find it fairly quickly. So I'm just going to take you through a very simple process. I'm going to do a search through here and I'm going to run a scan. Now what I'm going to do is to run a scan on the top 200 Australian stocks, but you could run the scan on futures, forex, whatever you like. I'm going to run it on the last week, just so that gives us a little bit of wiggle room so we can see what's happened in the last week or so, and I'm going to run that on a daily chart. Now, all I need to do is to come in through here and I'm going to create a new scan, and the tool that Optuma's created for finding numbers is called the number searcher tool. So all I have to do in the scanning box is type number searcher. Now if I just click on that, all I can see here is that I'm going to be searching for pivot labels, which is the highest high or the lowest low for a set period of time, and I'm going to make that 15 days. So it's got to be the highest high for 15 days before, 15 days after, and it's got to be up to a 144 count from that particular high or low. So it must be around 144 days in the past. And if there's anything that comes up, then that will tell me that there's a potential opportunity in the market. And if I just hit apply, we're going to run the scan on the ASX. All I have to do now is hit execute that scan. Now all of these stocks listed are showing up as potential 144 counts sometime in the last week or so. And I can focus on these because these could be the ones that might present a terrific opportunity. So let's look at the first one in the list, which just happens to be Aristocrat Leisure. So all I need to do is to click on the chart, and I'll then close this down, and you can see I've now got Aristocrat Leisure opened up. You'll see that it's also produced an arrow here, and that is telling me that this particular bar through here, and let's just zoom in on it. So on Tuesday the 11th of August was a 144 count. And as you can see, the market is falling away from that. So what I need to do is to find 144 days back from this high. And it could likely be this low, although I suspect it's probably this top or maybe this one. So if I just go into Optuma now, if I find my time price measure tool coming from that high, and if I come up to this one, I'll just bring these details down. It's 121 trading days. So there we go. So from this top, which was a major high, you can see it was a triple top, quick false break, market dump down. This bar through here is now 144 trading days from that high. Interestingly, if I go into the tools and I find the Fibonacci set of tools, and there's the Fibonacci retracements, I think if I go from the last major peak down to this low, interestingly, again, what we can see here is that that's exactly at the 61.8% level coming back from the low. So if I'd done that scan 2 days ago looking for any opportunities within the last week, it would have told me that this particular day was a 144 count. I could see that it's on a Fibonacci level, and now as you can see, this market has now started to turn around. Now it doesn't mean to say that Aristocrat Leisure is going to do a big dump, but certainly if I'm a shorter term trader, I'd be locking in profits or managing the trade. But it also indicates that If Aristocrat Leisure should turn around and break above this high, that would be a very significant, strong signal, which would indicate to me that Aristocrat Leisure's got more in the climb. But you can see now how a very simple scan in a fabulous, sophisticated software package can give us some very important clues about markets to focus on to try and maximize our trading dollar. So I hope that makes sense for you, and of course, any questions or queries you have, you're welcome to send them through. See you again next week with another look at this fabulous Fibonacci technique in trading. Bye for now.